birds. Now, yes, I'm driving with care. God damn it, you don't have to get... Oh, someone wasn't, clearly. Oh, fuck, look at that hole. Oh, God. They fit, yeah, pheasants. Fucking hell. Get the fuck out. Stupid fucking animal. Stupid fucking animal. Honestly. Oh my God, there's more of them. Move. Do not run out in front of me. I will squash you, bird. Honestly. Man, Spicy 110 said he was talking about these little thin country roads. God, I seriously don't think a car would get down here. Look at this. If you had a long vehicle, oh man, bike. Yes, I know, I'm in the wrong gear. Stop moaning at me. But if you had a long vehicle, you wouldn't be able to get around half of these corners. And I'm probably going to get very lost because I've never been this way before. It's like when we raced 2 CVs, and when I was at Snetterton for the 24-hour a couple of weeks ago, I went out and there were pheasants and little pheasant baby duckling things all over the fucking place, and they just sit there. They don't even move. You go and they're just like, ah, derp. Oh, more of them. No, don't. Seriously, bird. Why? What is the... Seriously. Don't land in front of me. No, oh my God. Like, yeah. They just... Oh, they just do that. They will be the death of me. Pheasants will be. Jesus Christ.